People versus Terrence Fortuna, calling cases SP 109-78741, accident driving left of center. SP 109-7875, count 1, no insurance. Count 2, leaving the scene of an accident with property damage. And count 3, failure to report an accident. Today's the date set for a trial. Appearance, please.
Good morning, Ron. Ben Werbling on behalf of the defendant.
And Mr. Fortuna, can you please state your name for the record?
Terrence Martin Fortuna.
And I believe Officer Fitzgerald is here. Can you put your name on the record as well? Okay, I see him. He's checking.
Yeah, Officer Fitzgerald here is 442.
Good morning to you. I have a recommendation from the prosecutor to dismiss all counts, so I will dismiss all without prejudice. So, Mr. Fortuna, you are all set. Your cases have been dismissed.
Judge, thank you very much. Can I ask one question?
Sure.
What about the 2 points that were on my record now? How do I deal with that, in your opinion?
2 points from this case?
Yes. Yes, the driving left of center went to Secretary of State, and they put 2 points on my record. Now my insurance is, the whole 9 yards.
That will be adjusted after this is entered in the system.
Excuse me?
It will be adjusted back to 0 points after this is entered in the system.
Oh, okay. All right. Very good. All right.
All right. You have a good rest of your day.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
I got it.
Oh.
Don't worry about it.
All right, let's see who else. Is there a Jesse Freeman here today? Is there a William Lewis Johnson?
Is it 4? Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you. Oh, it is.
Yamisha Jackson? Is there a Yamisha Jackson on the call? Is it Sharon Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. I saw you were the first person to check in this morning, so let's get you out of here. Okay, Attorney Worthing. Mr. Johnson has 2 counts here: operating while visibly impaired and disorderly conduct. Attorney Worthing, can you hear me?
Yes, Judge. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the operating while visibly impaired is a review.
Okay.
And the disorderly conduct, the offer is as charged with a 3-month delay sentence.
Okay.
I checked to see what's going on with his review as far as operating while visibly impaired. I'm not sure what he completed, but I'm sure he will let you know.
Okay. Thank you, Ron.
I'm Mr. Sharon Johnson. I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Worthing about your case today, okay?
Okay.
So when you see the invitation, hit join on your screen.
Okay.
Give me 1 moment. If your case isn't being called, can you please put your phone on mute? Officer Whitehead, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You're here for Mr. William Johnson?
That's correct.
Okay, he has not checked in. It's past the cutoff time, so you're all set.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
You too, thank you. And Officer Martinez,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
morning, who are you here for?
I'm here for last name Freeman, ma'am. Jesse Freeman.
Jesse Freeman, okay, I announced his name. I did not hear a response as well, so you are all set to go.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. Okay. To the gentleman where it says Nakia as identification, can you unmute your phone, please?
Doing good.
Good morning, how are you?
All right.
What is your name?
D'Angelo Jenkins.
I can barely hear you, your audio's a little muffled.
D'Angelo Jenkins.
D'Angelo Jenkins, okay. All right, you are checked in. I'm gonna put you back on mute until it's time to speak to an attorney, okay?
Okay.
Darian Jackson,
Yes,
that's good morning. Is that your name?
yes, my name is Dariana Jackson. It's supposed to be an A at the end and not an S on my
Oh,
Zoom name.
I was wondering. I was like, I don't think that's her name.
Yeah, I synced it.
Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna put you on mute. You'll be next to speak to an attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, to the gentleman where it says A Rob.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your first, is your name Aaron Begley?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I figured it out. Okay. I'm going to change your name. You are officially checked in, and once an attorney is ready to speak to you, put you into a breakout room, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Do you have, or do you want to always? Two seven nine zero. Okay, we ready on Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. We're on the record, this is the People versus Sharon Johnson, calling cases U 454-17118, disorderly conduct, and also Z 805696, operating while visibly impaired, which is set for a review today. Appearance,
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Worthing on behalf of Mr. Johnson.
Mr. Johnson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sharon Johnson.
Okay, what are we doing, Mr. Johnson?
Your Honor, with respect to the pretrial, he's rejecting the offer, so he's looking for a future date. He's saying it's identity theft.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, let's see here. I will make note of that in the file. And we set this for a trial date for January, we're at January 20.
Judge, I think it's the 21st.
Oh, I've already.
Oh,
January 26th would be your trial date, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
No, we're not doing it.
Right.
Deal with his review. Mr. Johnson, you
Yes.
have a review here for your operating while visibly impaired. Did you start your GED program or did you finish it?
Oh, we already finished. We just haven't.
Oh.
It's been a Corona stuff, so
What do you mean you already finished? But
we finished. We just gotta go back and get our stuff.
no, I need you to explain to me what that means. What's left?
No, we completed the program, but they supposed to issue. No, the whole class.
Oh, okay, the team. Okay, I see. Okay.
They supposed to mail us our certificates and stuff.
Okay, so when did you finish your last class?
My last class was when was this? This was the beginning of last year. It's only a 3 months. It's only 3 months. I said it was only a 3-month class.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, come on, I need you to articulate when it was that you finished your class and whether you're gonna get a certificate or what's going on.
I don't know when we getting the certificates, but the class has been already completed. I don't know when we get the certificate though.
Did you finish the consequences video? Did you do that?
Who?
The consequences video through probation?
Oh no, I just had explained to him that I had got arrested for something I didn't do and I had beat that case.
Did you ever call probation once you got out of jail? Did you call probation when you got out of jail?
I had came up here because I had got a notice from the court.
Okay, hold on a second. Attorney Workman, do you have anything to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, with that information that I gathered from him is that he's paid all the fines and the fees, Your Honor. So I don't know, without somebody here from probation, I don't know if we should just have a new review date, Your Honor, to confirm all this, because I don't have it in front of me.
Great, okay. So, Mr. Johnson, I wanted to take you off for probation today and close this out. But it sounds like you have some things that you still need to complete.
Okay.
So January 26th, when you come back for your trial date to deal with the identity theft issue, I'll make sure a report is in here from probation. And in the meantime, you need to call probation, 313-965.
Hold on. 313-965.
3414.
34. Okay.
And you need to let them know that you'd like to complete everything so that you can close out your probation by January 26th of next year.
Okay.
They have everything that you're supposed to do. So take care of that so you don't have to come back in the court.
Okay, so were they just gonna send me an email for the programs to go to?
They'll tell you on the phone, if not email. They'll
Okay.
communicate. But when you call back in on the 26th of January, we're still gonna be on Zoom unless we send you a notice out to come into court. And the way it's looking, I don't think we're gonna be in court anytime soon.
Okay.
You got everything, you understand everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have a good rest of your day, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Miss Dariana Jackson is next. Go ahead and unmute your phone.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, Roberta. I'm good. How you doing?
I'm going to put you in with Miss Jackson. Attorney Worgling. Even though, where'd you go?
I am a opinion on Miss Roberta when today.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, 1 second.
Okay, well, that'd be nice.
Reporting.
Let me.
Attorney Worgling, I was trying to
Yes.
tell you the offer.
Okay.
The offer is for a proper place with the remaining count to be dismissed.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Sorry about that.
Okay, Senior Gary Jones, what do you have here today?
Judge, I've got Jesse Freeman,
Polly.
Yes,
I got
yes,
Jesse Freeman.
I already gave you, it was at
No,
8:35.
no, Judge, you shouldn't have, because I called before I got on Zoom, talked with your clerk, told her that Mr. Freeman was with me. Now,
Mr.
and
Jones, right, officer checked in, so all we can do is resolve it today with a plea at this point.
okay, so the officer did check in.
Yes,
Okay,
he did.
and so what is the people comfortable with? What are the people comfortable with?
You have to pull his file, since I'm just officially getting a check in right now. So once I get Mr. Freeman's file, I will let you know what the offer is from the people.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Morning, Judge.
How are you?
Good. So I don't know if you heard from Roberta. I'm going to assist you guys, but I have my other thing going on too. So if we can roll, I can roll.
Okay, you just let me know when you can talk to folks and I'll put you in with them,
Well,
okay?
I got till 9:30 clear. So and then at that point, I'll zoom on and see what's going on.
Okay. D'Angelo Jenkins. Go ahead and unmute your phone. Okay, Mr. Judy, good morning. His offer is for as charged for open intoxicant inside a vehicle as a passenger.
Okay. Very good.
Mr. Jenkins, I'm putting you into a breakout room to speak to Mr. Roby about your case, okay?
Okay.
Good.
You'll be in breakout room 2. Go ahead and hit join, Mr. Jenkins. Okay, Attorney Moore, good morning. You have to unmute. Okay, are we ready on D'Angelo, I'm sorry, on Dariana Jackson?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Jackson, I gotta get her out of the breakout room. Can you go in there and let her know to come out of the breakout room, because I have another room open, I can't close it out.
Okay. Okay, yep.
Judge, there was not a trial today, right?
Hello?
Okay. He's getting a bench trial date.
Okay,
Hey, Miss. Judge?
okay, I'm gonna handle Jenkins first. It's the people versus D'Angelo Jenkins, call case 400330, one count of open intoxicants in the vehicle as a passenger. Appearance.
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Mr. Jenkins. At this time, my client is continuing his plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Mr. Jenkins, can you state your full name for the record, please?
D'Angelo Jenkins.
Okay, Mr. Jenkins, do you understand you have a right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything for you to waive that right today?
No.
Okay, I'm going to continue your not guilty plea, and your trial date is January 26th at 8:30 a.m. It'll still be on Zoom, okay?
Okay.
And there'll be a lawyer present at 8:30 to speak to you about your case, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right.
Robert Judkins. Is there a Robert Judkins on the call?
Mr. Judkins?
Yes, Your Honor.
I can take him, Your Honor, if you'd like.
Please. Okay, Mr. Judkins, I'm going to put you in with Mr. Roki so you can talk about your case in private, okay?
Yes.
So as soon as you see the invitation pop up, go ahead and hit join.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And it's offers for failure to display.
Your Honor,
Yes,
good morning. How you doing, Your Honor?
Good, how are you?
Yes, I was trying to see if Jackson checked in.
She didn't.
Okay. Is there any way I can get a quarter call back? I have a few more courtrooms.
It's over. It's 9:23, so she's defaulted.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you. Miss Dariana Jackson, go ahead and unmute your phone now. We're going to handle yours.
Okay.
Okay, this is the People versus Dariana Jackson, calling cases X3530391, no operator's license, count 2, motor vehicle operation without security, X2041818, allowing an unlicensed person to drive, count 2, littering, X3525264, no operator's license, count 2, motor vehicle operation without security, and 135866071, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Worthing on behalf of Ms. Jackson.
Can you state your name, please, Ms. Jackson?
Dariana Jackson.
Ms. Jackson, is it correct you're going to plead guilty to one amended charge of improper plate with the understanding that the rest will be dismissed?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Wordling in private today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you were actually guilty?
Yes, I'm not going.
I have to ask. Now, Ms. Jackson, do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to June 3rd, 2019, around 6:53 a.m. in the area of the Lodge and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit, where you operated a 2005 Chrysler vehicle without insurance.
Yes, I was. I was on my way to work.
Okay, I will accept it. Counsel satisfied?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to dismiss the remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Jackson, did you post the bond?
Yes.
Okay. What I'm going to do is apply your bond to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you in the mail. I'm also going to waive your fines and costs today, so you do not have to pay anything to the court for what you just pled guilty to, okay?
I got a question. Yes, when you say you don't put some of the bond money, huh?
Did you hear anything I just said?
Yes.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure before you ask the question.
Okay, so I'm just trying to get information. I'm trying to get my license back. When you said some of the money gonna go towards the reinstating fee, is that for when I'm finished cleaning my tickets and I go in and I won't have to pay for the reinstate fee?
So you don't have to pay for any reinstatement fees on the counts that I just called today because I'm using your bond and putting it towards the reinstatement fees.
Okay.
So it's easier, it's helping you out, so you don't have to go do it. And it goes towards the Secretary of State. It's not helping us out. We're not getting any money for what you just did today. So I'm taking the money that you put up for your bond and put it towards your payments to the Secretary of State. And I'm also zeroing out your balance from today for the case you pled guilty to.
Okay.
Now you need to check with the Secretary of State to see what else you have left before you can move forward to get your license.
Okay.
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 All right. Anything else?
No, thank you so much.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Your Honor, can we do Judkins, please?
Sure. Is it going to be a plea?
It is.
Okay, let me put someone in with, Mr. Fegley, Aaron Fegley.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your,
I'm putting you in a breakout room with Attorney Worthing to speak about your case in private, okay?
yes, Your Honor.
Attorney Worthing, the offer is for failure to display with the remaining to be dismissed.
Your Honor,
Yes,
Your Honor.
yes.
This is on Jesse Freeman.
I'm waiting on the offer.
Well, Your Honor, he does. You know, I talked with him, and he still wants his trial, Judge. And we
You have to give me a moment, okay? You called in the middle of us trying to clear up stuff. Give me a moment, please.
okay, Judge.
Okay, this is the People versus Robert Judkins, calling case 480712. No operator's license on person. Appearance?
Your Honor, Pauline Strokey on behalf of Mr. Judkins. I have discussed this with my client. He wishes to avail himself of the recommendation.
Hey, Mr. Judkins, can you put your name on the record, please?
Robert Judkins.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand? Mr. Roby, I can handle the rest of it if you need to go.
Look, kicked in.
Oh, all right, I'll blank my screen, okay? When you only see my name, I'm out. But until then, I'm good.
Okay. Mr. Judkins, do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roby, your attorney, today in private about your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down too. Did anybody threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand, Mr. Judkins, pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to July 10th of this year, 2020, around 1:10 p.m. in the area of Mount Elliott and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2009 Lincoln vehicle without an operator's license.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, you can put that food in the car. Go ahead, you can go downstairs and do that. Yeah.
Can you please put your phone on mute? We're on the record in the middle of a guilty plea. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
Okay, Mr. Judkins, I'm going to amend the charge to failure to display, which is a 0-point offense. And I'm going to also waive your fines and costs today, so it'll be $0 paid that you have to pay to the court, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Thanks.
So I can go in a breakout room, Your Honor. I'm waiting, so I'm in the waiting room.
Okay. Marcus Jackson? Go ahead and start your case.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to put you in with Ms. Saroki so that you can speak to her about your case in private, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and hit join. And Ms. Saroki, the offer is for failure to display with the rest to be dismissed.
Thank you.
I just missed what you mentioned that to 0.6. That's what I thought, but I didn't want to write it down. Pretty much.
You can make the offers now. Okay. Attorney Jones?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll get the officer. We're calling him so that we can have a trial. It'll be probably the last thing we do, so call back in at 11 o'clock, okay?
11 o'clock? Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So even if I don't do it, Your Honor, he's pleading. And I can do it right now if you're ready.
Okay. Eagle versus Marcus Thomas Jackson. Calling case P 213432, count 1, driving unregistered and untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, driving while license not valid or improper license. Appearance?
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant, I discussed this matter with my client. At this time, he's waiving his rights, asking the court to allow the recommendation.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Marcus Thomas Jackson.
Is it correct you're going to plead guilty to failure to display?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today, Mr. Roki, in private about your case?
I did.
Did anybody threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, they did not.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
I understand.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, you want to continue and plead guilty.
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to August 21st, 2014, around 11:59 a.m. in the area of Ryan and Amrod in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2002 Chevy Gold vehicle without a valid license?
I was.
Okay, satisfied?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept your guilty plea. I will dismiss the 2 remaining counts. There's stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, did you post the bond?
I did.
Okay, I'm going to apply that to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you in the mail, okay?
And thank you so much.
Welcome. And for your count today that you pled guilty to is typically $240. I'll waive that so you're at a 0 balance, okay?
Okay, fantastic. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too.
You can do it again, Your Honor, if you like. Put me in.
Okay. I have Miss Sierra Johnson.
Yes, I'm here.
Her offer is 1-for-1, so one allowing plea as charged with the other one to be dismissed.
So allowing an unlicensed driver is charged?
Yes, with the, it says a 90-day, I'll do a 1-week delay sentence on that.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Johnson, go ahead and hit join button on there. It should have popped up to join into the breakout room. There we go. All right, let's handle Mr. Fegley.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the people versus Aaron Fegley, calling case 458624, driving while license not valid. Appearance?
Ben Wormley on behalf of the defendant.
Can you state your name, sir, for the record?
Aaron Samuel Fegley.
Okay, and what are we doing today with Mr. Fegley?
Your Honor, we did review this matter. I don't know if there's a city prosecutor, because we wanted to see if we could get an allowing amendment, but if not, then I don't know if that's possible, Your Honor, for the city to review this.
Mr. Fegley, just because we are short prosecutors and staff, if you're willing to wait until a prosecutor comes back into the courtroom, I will of course relay the message to see if she will review it to amend the charge to allow it, unlicensed driver drive. Do you want to wait for that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna put the file right here in the window, or pick it up to look at it as soon as she comes back in, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
So just hold tight, and when I hear your name, then move things happen, okay?
No problem.
Get up.
All right,
Your Honor's pleasure. My client's going to plead also.
okay. Is there a Felicia Jefferson on the call?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say something again, I can't see your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put you to- I'm gonna put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Wordling about your case. She's already in there. All right. Her offer is for failure to display.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Okay, and let's take care of Ms. Sierra Johnson. This is the people versus Sierra Johnson, calling case 210547. Allowing unlicensed person to drive, and 815201, allowing an unlicensed person to drive. Parents?
Your Honor, good morning, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant. I did explain the recommendation of my client to the delayed sentence. She's going to avail herself of that.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sierra Johnson.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to attorneys in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right to trial, you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to April 19, 2018, around 12:44 p.m. in the area of Roy Road and Memorial in the city of Detroit. Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive your 2005 Buick blue vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, I will accept your guilty plea. I'm going to change the recommendation from a 3-month delay to a 1-week delayed sentence. So as long as you don't pick up any tickets, unlicensed drivers to drive your vehicles, then this will be dismissed in a week, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Johnson, you had 2 of them, so no more allowing unlicensed people to drive, okay?
Okay.
I'm also, did you post the bond?
Yes, I did.
Okay, I'm going to apply that to your reinstatement fees. The balance will be returned to you in the mail, and I'm waiving your fine today, which is $240 for the count you just pled guilty to. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any questions, you look confused.
No, I'm trying to think. I don't think I'm gonna have no points, sir. I probably do have a point, but I'll just give myself a week for it to be done. No allowing people to drive,
Yes.
so I can close this out.
Because the
Right.
other people are giving your ability to drive.
Right.
So you got to get your license in order. Is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah, this is my last one actually. And I have I grouped with Ann Arbor where they've been helping with me getting my license back. But Detroit was the only one left. But I guess I would have to get back with them and give them an update and knowing that I got a week of not, of course, no trouble or no tickets, and it should be waived so this could be taken care of.
You don't even have to let them know that. Okay? Just in a week, it'll be dismissed. Don't even let them know because it will show up as if it never happened. So don't even let them know that you pled guilty to it because it'll be dismissed basically.
Gotcha. Okay.
So just wait a week and then
Okay.
move on.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So I'm available to go in a breakout room, Judge.
Okay. Ma'am, with the glasses and the Aristo 4 Plus, you keep unmuting your phone. So what's your name?
Linda Foster.
Linda Foster?
Yes.
Good morning, Miss Foster.
Good morning.
I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Sabree about your case, okay?
Okay.
Hit the join button on your phone. It should pop up and say to join. Go ahead and hit that. And her offer, Ms. Sabree, is for limited access 1 to 5 over, with the remaining to be dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay, now who is this breakout room? Mr.
Judge, I had talked with an Alicia Jefferson, but she's on the phone.
I'm sorry, you said she's on the phone.
I mean, I don't think she was via Zoom. I mean, she was only on the phone. Well, I spoke with her in a breakout room.
Judge, we got kicked out.
Yeah, I have to redo them because I have a phone that doesn't work. So, Ms. Foster, go ahead and hit that join button again. Ms. Jefferson, Alicia Jefferson, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Nope, I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay, so Attorney Worthling has, that client, he's asked if you would do allowing. So I just gave him a call.
That's no problem.
Okay, whatever, I just told him I'll give you. Okay, this is People versus Felicia Johnson, calling case SP 9622231. Driving while license not valid or proper license. Appearance.
Ben Worthing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Ma'am, can you please state your name for the record? Ms. Jefferson? Can you state
Oh,
your name
yes.
for the record?
Felicia Jefferson, sorry, Your Honor.
You're fine, you're fine. Are you going to plead guilty today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Worthling today in private about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
I'd like to bring your attention to January 4th, 2019, around 4:05 p.m. in the area of Grand River and Beaverland in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2015 Ford vehicle.
Yes.
Are you doing so without a valid license?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I will accept your guilty plea, Ms. Jefferson. I will make the amendment to the 0-point offense of failure to display a valid operator's license. I'm going to waive your fines and costs. It'll save you $240. Did you post the bond?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you are all set, unless you have any questions.
Okay, I was, thought this case was about, July 9th of this year.
No,
Right on my,
I have January 4th.
no. Okay, that one, yeah, okay, I remember that one because that's the day we buried my grandmother. I'm sorry, but yes, I remember that one. But I just had one recently on, and I just paid my tickets. I paid $1,075 on all the tickets that I had for Detroit.
Okay.
But this case was July the 8th at on Myers and the Lodge.
What about it? What do you,
That's the case that I went to jail, was drinking.
okay, so what's your question? What do you want me to do?
No, I mean, I thought that's what we were talking about today. I wasn't for sure. But I was just, saying that I paid the tickets that are old.
Okay, we'll check. Just stay on the phone. I'll check to see what's going on.
Okay, thank you so much.
Mr. Roby, I'm going to put you, okay. Ms. Foster, hold tight. We got couple people in front of you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Fagley, go ahead and unmute your phone and start your video. Okay, so the prosecutor did amend the offer, so you have the opportunity to plead guilty to the allowing a licensed driver to drive.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Here's the recall from Mr. Fagley. Mr. Fagley, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
One moment. Mr. Roby, did you need the offer on that case?
No, I know what the offer. It's all, so both of my tickets are please when the court's ready.
Okay.
You want to do that again? I'm available.
I'm about to do it again for you. Kimberly Jones, 1 second, Mr. Fagley.
Yes.
Sir, Kimberly.
Okay, how did you want to know that?
Hello?
Yes.
Kimberly Jones,
I would need the offer for that, Your Honor.
say to display.
And the other one's dismissed? Okay, thank you.
Miss Kimberly Jones, can you state your name, please? I need to figure out who you are on here.
Kimberly Jones.
Okay, I got you. Kimberly Jones. I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Sabree about your case, okay?
All right.
Go ahead and hit the join button when it pops up. Okay, back to you, Mr. Begley.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have been sworn in, and you had an opportunity to speak to Attorney Worthing in private about your case, correct?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
I am.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
I do.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yep.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to June 15th, 2020, around 3:19 p.m. The area of Warren and Metatol in the city of Detroit, operating a 2000, or should I say, did you allow an unlicensed driver to operate a 2009 Chevy Tam vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, satisfied?
Yes.
I am, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Begley, I've been doing this all day today, so I'm waiving your fines and costs for the count you just pled guilty to, and you applied a bond, I see here. Was it $100? You're welcome. So I'm going to apply your bond to your reinstatement fee or your other count that was dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
And if there's anything left, it'll be sent back to you in the mail, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are welcome. Do you have any questions?
Not at this time, no.
Okay, you're all set. You have a good day.
Okay, goodbye
Thank
now.
you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
So Miss Jones never made it to the breakout room.
Thank you.
It says she's in there.
All right, I'll go back right now. Maybe she got.
Maybe she's on mute. Okay. So we have Linda Foster, Kimberly Jones, and Latrice Jackson. You all are up when Ms. Dorothy comes back out of the breakout room. Let's handle Mr. Jemison.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
I'm going to put you to a breakout room to speak to Attorney Worthing about your case, okay? Go ahead and hit the join button. And his offer is as charged, no reduced offer.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Did you get her?
Yeah, I'm all done. So I've got 3 pleas ready to go on. Do you want to?
They're queued up and ready to go. Ms. Foster, go ahead and unmute your phone. It's already unmuted, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this is People versus Linda Foster. Calling case is SP 106-83971. No operator's license on person. SP 106-83992. No proof of insurance. SP 1.
Excuse me, I didn't hear you.
83911, speeding 6 to 10 over the posted speed. P 106-8391, which is a duplicate. And another duplicate. Okay, appearance.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Ms. Foster, the people relayed an offer, I think, which would be a no-point offense. If that's the case, my client's pleading responsible to the civil infraction, asking the other matters be dismissed.
Okay, Ms. Foster, can you state your full name for the record,
Yes.
please?
Linda A. Foster.
Okay, you're going to be responsible to the 0-point offense of limited access 1 to 5 over, correct?
Yes.
Okay, is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, Ms. Foster, was that easy? I accepted a responsible plea. It's been reduced to 0 points, and I'm dismissing the remaining 2 counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, Ms. Foster, I'm going to waive your fines and costs as well, so you have a zero balance today from your, civil infraction you just pulled responsible to, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You are welcome. Did you post a bond?
I wasn't incarcerated. I don't know, no.
Okay. All right, so you're all set.
I'm all set, Your Honor.
All set. You have a good day, Ms. Foster.
Thank you so much. Would I get a clearance in the mail? Do you know?
I wouldn't wait for the mail. You can go online and check for yourself on 36th District Court's website. You can just Google 36th
Yes.
District Court and they'll pop up the first link. I wouldn't wait on the mail.
Okay. Thank you so kindly.
Okay, Ms. Latrice Jackson,
Yes.
calling case SX342-30542, one count of no operator's license on person, the people versus Latrice Jackson. Appearance?
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline Strzok, on behalf of Ms. Jackson. The recommendation is failed to display my client's waiving her rights.
Ms. Jackson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Sabree today about your case in private?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to November 19th, 2018, around 2:20 p.m. in the area of I-75 and Outer Drive in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2006 Chevy vehicle without your operator's license on your person.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied.
Okay. Ms. Jackson, I'm going to waive your cost today as well, so you got $0 to pay to the court today. Did you post a bond?
Yes.
Okay. I will apply your bond to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have any questions?
No.
Okay, you have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. Is there Anthony Funderburg on the call? Anthony Funderburg? Charles Jones?
Yes, I'm here, Charles Jones.
Charles Jones, okay.
Yes.
Mr. Charles Jones, we're gonna put you into a breakout room with Attorney Workman to speak about your case in private, okay?
Okay.
So when you see the invitation pop up, make sure you hit it, okay?
Okay, no problem.
And Attorney Workman, his offer is a little complicated here. His offer is for failure to display. Failure to display, for 3 failure to displays with the rest to be dismissed. 10 to be dismissed. Okay, Ms. Lee Jones?
Yeah, and I'm gonna put my, and I'm gonna get off, but sign in at 1, okay? And I'll have my computer on, Judge,
Oh, okay, thank
like
you.
we talked about yesterday. No problem. Because they're queuing me up here, so.
Okay, thank you.
I can put the plea on if you.
Okay, this is People versus Kimberly Jones, U 467-64318. What is this? Open intoxicating public. Appearance?
That wasn't what I had, I'm sorry. This was,
Babysitter disorderly conduct.
oh yeah, I'm sorry. We had one improper license and one, you said it was failed to display in. Disorderly, no?
Yes, I have two more here. P 839687, driving while license not valid or proper license, and P 839686, excessive noise from muffler, horn, exhaust, or tires. There we go.
Well, my client was accepting the recommendation of failed to display, dismissing the other matter. She's waiving her rights.
Okay, Ms. Jones, can you state your name for the record, please?
Kimberly Jones.
Okay, Ms. Jones, is that correct? You're gonna plead that one count of failure to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, no truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
You put your hand down. Did anybody threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
You're pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand Ms. Jones pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to January 31st, 2017, around 4:17 p.m. in the area of Vinewood and Toledo in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2001 Dodge Gray vehicle without a valid license.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. I will dismiss the remaining counts. Is there stipulation of probable cause?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Ms. Jones, did you post the bond?
Yes.
Okay. I will apply that to your reinstatement fees. I will waive your fines and costs today. And whatever balance left over from your bond, it will be put in the mail and returned to you. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you
too.
and good morning, everybody.
Okay. If you do have video capability, can you please turn it on because I can't see you to identify you if I don't have the video. So Galaxy J2, what is your name?
Anthony Fundenberg.
Oh, you're Mr. Funderburg. I've been calling your name.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Okay. What did you have you said today for? You missed your court date. Is that what it was?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did we talk about whether you had insurance or not?
No, we did.
Okay. Are you prepared to have insurance today, or do you want to resolve it and plead guilty?
I didn't have insurance.
Do you want time to obtain it, or would you like to go ahead and?
I'd just like to go ahead with it, Judge.
Okay. Attorney Werman, I put you in with Mr. Funderburg.
Okay.
His offer, he's not on the docket, so it's improper place and no insurance are his two counts.
Okay.
His offer for improper place.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Funderburg, when it pops up to go into the breakout room, go ahead and hit join.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Attorney Moore, can you hear me?
Yes. Can you hear me, Your Honor?
I can hear you. Who's your client?
Yes.
Hi, how are you? Good morning.
Morning. What is your name?
Jackson.
The audio is pretty bad.
Can you hear me?
You should have to keep the microphone. I don't know what works.
Can you see me, Your Honor?
I can see you, but I can't hear you that well.
She can't hear us.
One of the.
Can I call into your courtroom?
Okay, say something now, Attorney Moore.
Thank you, Judge. I came from nowhere.
Okay. Galaxy A10e.
Yes,
What's your name?
Latasha Jacobs.
Jacobs.
Yes.
We have to find your file. You are checked in, so just hold tight. We'll get you in a second, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's do Mr. Jemison. Go ahead and start your video, Mr. Jemison. It just wasn't full.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Calling case U 576-31620, the people versus Divine Jemison. One count of offer to engage, another for the act of prostitution. Appearance?
Ben Wormley on his behalf, Your Honor.
I didn't hear you. Attorney Work.
Ben Wormley on behalf of Mr. Jemison, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Jemison, can you state your name for the record, please? Can you say it again?
Damian Jemison.
And what are we doing, Mr. Jemison, today?
Your Honor, he's gonna be continuing his not guilty plea at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Jemison, you understand you have a right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Judge Sabree's court.
Did anybody threaten you, force you, or promise you anything for you to waive that right today?
No, Judge.
Okay. I will continue your not guilty plea, and your trial date is January 26th, 8:30 a.m., and we are still going to be on Zoom, okay?
Yes, Judge.
Do you have any questions?
No, Judge.
Okay, you have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Judge, he's on the phone. He's asking, can he talk on the speaker and say on the?
Just
You said tell him about.
tell them to log off all his devices.
Mr. Moore. Judge Sabree said log off everything and just do the dialing. Do you have a pen handy? Okay.
Okay, Mr. Funderburg, unmute your phone.
Yes, she said just dial in. Just let me know when you're ready. Alrighty, it's 929.
Okay, Mr. Funderburg is not responding again. Mr. Charles Jones?
2866.
Yes.
Okay, let's handle your stack of cases now. Definitely stack.
Okay.
Yeah, that's oh.
Yeah, it is very old. I was in law school when these were taken.
Yes.
9, 4.
Okay. Thank you.
You know what? All of these are older than 7 years. So, Mr. Jones, just to save time and everybody's time, I'm going to dismiss all of your cases, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And I'm going to waive, if you're okay with that, Attorney Worthing, waive the reading of his counts. It's the complete, everything that's on the docket for
No
Mr.
objection, Your Honor.
Charles Lee Jones.
Yes.
For all of his cases, they are older than 7 years. They date back to 2010. Have an opportunity to dismiss those based on the agreement with the prosecutor's office. I will do so. You got a really good bid this bid. Did you post a bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll just have that returned to you, and I'll let you figure out how to take care of your reinstatement fee, okay?
Oh, no problem. You made it possible. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Now stay out. Stop driving without a license.
No problem.
Okay, you have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Mr. Funderburg, you are back. Where are you? Mr. Funderburg, can you hear me? I can hear your kids. Okay. Ms. Jacobs. Let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
You know you missed the court date. It was September 2nd, right?
No, actually, I called and that's when they gave me this court date.
Okay, but I'm just wondering, did you show up on the 2nd?
Yeah, I came to the courts because it said hearing and they didn't let me in. They gave me the number to call, and when I called, the lady gave me this court date.
Okay. So you came in person and that's what happened?
Yeah.
Okay. So her offer is for failure to display.
Yes, Your
Ms.
Honor.
Jacobs, it says here that you didn't have it on your person. Do you have a valid license at this time?
I do.
Okay. You could just give us a moment. We'll verify that in the system. If that's the case, I can dismiss your case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Mr. Funderburg, can you hear me?
Yes. Hello?
Yes.
Judge?
Did you already speak to Mr. Funderburg?
I did, Judge.
Okay, what are we doing on his case?
Your Honor, he wishes to avail himself of the offer this time.
Okay, this is the people versus Anthony Funderburg calling cases SP 107-98363, no insurance, and SP 107-98361, improper plates. Appearance?
Ben Worley on behalf of Mr. Funderburg appears by Zoom today, Your Honor.
Mr. Funderburg, can you state your name for the record?
Anthony Lois Fundenberg.
Okay, is it correct you're going to plead guilty to the 0-point offense of improper plates?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have not? Oh, you know what? Did anybody threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving that, do you wish to continue and plead?
I had them both. Yes, ma'am.
Like to pay attention to disrupting the call. Okay. I'd like to bring your attention to May 1st, 2020, around 3:43 p.m. in the area of 7 Mile in Antwerp in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2000 Cadillac vehicle with improper plates.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, satisfied, Attorney Worthing? You're on mute, Attorney Worthman.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Funderburg, I will waive your fines and costs today. You have 0 points, $0 to pay. Your other count has been dismissed. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Ms. Jacobs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm calling your matter. We verify you have a valid license, okay?
Okay.
Calling case 20717-8291, the people versus Latasha Nicole Jacobs. 1 count of no operator's license on person. Apparent.
All right, Your Honor, Ben Worthing on behalf of Ms. Jacobs.
Ms. Jacobs, can you state your name for the record, please?
Latasha Nicole Jacobs.
Okay, Ms. Jacobs, we verify you have a valid license, so I will dismiss without prejudice, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good rest of your day.
You too. Be safe.
Thank you. You too. Okay. There's still, do you have a file from the lady who stated that she had another drunk driving case?
I looked, Judge Linda, somebody, Austin?
No, I don't remember. I thought it was
Linda something, it should be still on my, I look, I didn't see it. I'm thinking maybe it's still being processed or brought over.
I think we figured it out.
We did a recall on her.
Okay. Whose number is 3340752? Okay, let's see here. Just like that.
But, you know, you told me no.
Attorney Worthman, there's still one person on the call I'm trying to identify before you log off.
Okay, no problem, Judge.
Okay, Attorney Smith, are you calling for Mr. Moore?
Yes, I'm here on this Carla Jackson. And it's six misdemeanors.
Okay, I have to go grab her file. 1 moment.
Right.
You did it right away.
We're right on
I
again.
said, wait an hour and you walk in, and 2 minutes later, you're on.
We're on. She might have the old tree, but these new. Yeah, she can pick them up. So that'll be good. She has an old tree, and then you pick these new tree up this year. Oh, 100 per piece for the old tree. Well, that's good. So there's 300 there, and then we'll just try to deal with the new ones. But I wonder if did they combine the court date or they did.
Just so you all know, you guys are not muted and you're on YouTube Live.
All six of them? It's only three.
Good, no problem. Is it Carl? Yep.
Oh, you got, oh, I'm sorry. But.
Hmm? No, it's
Digging
six.
up my stuff.
No, it's six. Well, we got 4 in the file.
Oh, great. I tried.
Mr. Jones in the waiting room, so we have to silence for a minute.
Is that possible?
As long as he's in the waiting room. Okay. I have Ms. Jackson's file, Attorney Smith.
Oh, thank you, Judge. Do you see 6 misdemeanors? Because I think 3 are new and the other 3 she posted a bond on. Those are 3 are old.
I see 5.
Okay, well, that's a head start.
Yeah. The docket has 3, I have 5. I think, let's see here. Oh, you know what? It is 6.
It's for, she has a court date for November 9th.
Okay, so there are 6, and her other court date is for November 9th. We'll do them all today.
Okay, thank you, Aaron.
One moment while we get those printed out.
Judge,
Yes?
do you want us to come down there in person or do you want us to do it by Zoom? How do you want us to do this?
Just hold on one second.
Okay.
Okay. The People versus Carla. Well, you know what? I didn't even give you the offer. The offer will be for failure to display with the rest to be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor. She's going to take that offer.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Okay, this is People versus Carla Diane Jackson. Calling case is P753002. Driving while license not valid on proper license. Count 2 insurance, no insurance, excuse me. P542450. Driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. 207-22232. No operator's license on person. Count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Marvin Smith on her behalf. And you say your name.
Carla Jackson.
Good morning to you both. And is it correct, Ms. Jackson, you're going to plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to consult with your attorney today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did anybody threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, you gotta make sure you speak up, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to September 3rd, 2020, around 1:40 a.m. in the area of Murray Hill and Vassar in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2007 Pontiac vehicle?
Yes.
Were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept your client's guilty plea. I will dismiss the remaining counts before the court. Is there a stipulation of probable cause for the dismissed counts?
So stipulated.
Okay, Mr. Smith, I'm going to waive your client's fines and costs today. So she has 0 balance. It looks like here she posted a bond, or well, did she post a bond, I should say?
Yeah, she's posted $300.
Okay, I'm going to apply that to her reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to her in the mail.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You all have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, Attorney Worthing, I don't know who this person is. Okay, Attorney Jones.
Judge Sabree. Yes.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do is matter out, because I cannot
Pardon?
find, I cannot get in contact with Officer Martinez after he logged off.
Judge, when I was on Zoom, I didn't see Officer Martinez. I saw an Officer Robinson, but I did not see him.
Attorney Jones, I saw him because I checked in at 8 o'clock this morning.
Oh, no, Judge. No, Judge, because guess what? I checked in and they had me.
I'm not arguing with you back and forth today. I'm telling you, Officer Martinez checked in, and I'm going to adjourn the matter. What date works for you outside of 2 weeks?
Whatever's good for you, Judge. I love when judges are strong like that. But Judge.
December 12th, 3 a.m.
But your clerk will tell you I was on when the Zoom wasn't even on.
Yes.
Because
Okay.
I called.
And if you would like to request the record that our court reporter has of him checking in, you can do so to argue that. Okay? He checked in.
I'm not.
I renamed him because I checked in this morning and renamed everyone up until 9 o'clock. So I'm just going to go back to November 12th, 8:30 a.m. If you don't check in on Zoom by 9:05, I'm going to capious your client unless you call in and Zoom in and let us know. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You have a good rest of your day.
So November 12th?
November 12th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay. But Judge, okay, can we go off the record though?
I'm on YouTube Live. I still have a docket to handle.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Judge. It's nice seeing you again.
Have a good one.
You too.
Attorney Worthing, we are done.